Good morning, sir. My name is Sai Saket. I am studying in 7th standard at KB School. I have successfully completed vocabulary building challenge in 2024. Now I am presenting prepositions, types, and subcategories. Preposition. A preposition is a word that the relationship between a noun or pronoun. They are divided into 9 types. Preposition of time. Preposition of time. This indicates when something happens. Preposition of time is divided into 2 types: specific time, duration. Specific time. Specific time. Example: on Monday, on Sunday. Duration. Example: for a week, for a day. Preposition of place. This shows the location of something. Prepositions of place is divided into 2 types: specific place, direction. Specific place. Example: at school, at work. Direction. Example: over the bill, over the tap. Prepositions of direction. Prepositions of direction. These describe movement or direction. Example: into, onto. Prepositions of agents or instrument. It indicates the person, force responsible for performing an action. Example: thought, using. Prepositions of manner, means or method. These express the manner, reason or purpose of an action. Example: for, due to. Compound prepositions. This consists of more than the word. Example: as per, as to. Prepositions of position. This indicates position or relation. Example: in front of, in front of. Double prepositions. A double preposition consists of 2 prepositions. Example: as for, as to. Thank you.